Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add and use multiple Instagram accounts. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Instagram account and then go to your profile. In profile section, hit the menu icon on the top right corner of your screen, then click on settings. And then just simply scroll down and you see the option of add or switch account. So simply click on add or switch account. If you want to add another account, so simply click on add account and log into your account. I already add some other account, so if you want to use another account or you don't need to log out of your first account, so you just use this option add or switch account and you can easily switch to another account as well. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.